Your new smart device requires a gateway. To learn how to set up your gateway, download the Legrand Home Plus Control app. This video will show you how to install both Radiant and Adorn smart dimmers, each of which utilizes Netatmo technology. These are the tools you'll need for the install: flathead screwdriver, Phillips head screwdriver, and a flashlight. A voltage tester and wire strippers are also helpful. Be sure to turn off power to your existing device at the circuit breaker. Turn your existing device on and off multiple times to confirm power is off. Unscrew the existing wall plate and use your voltage tester to be sure everything is safe and there's no power. Now, check your wiring. The hot or line wire receives power from the circuit box. The load wire directs power to your light. The neutral wire creates a path to return current to the power source when the device is off. Finally, the ground wire provides a safe path for electricity in the event of a short circuit. There are 4 points of connection on your device, either wires or terminals. In both cases, you'll be connecting the neutral wire, the load wire, the hot wire, and the ground wire to your device. In your wall, it's important to note which wire is the hot wire and which is the load wire. To do so, turn the circuit breaker back on. With the light switch off, test each wire with the voltage tester. The wire with no power is the load wire, and the wire with power is your hot. Now that you've determined which is which, go back and turn off your circuit breaker. Before removing the old device, it may be helpful to take a quick photo of how it's wired to refer to later. If installing an Adorn switch, connect the green ground wire from the metal frame to the ground wire in the box. Gently fold the ground wires into the box. Attach the frame with the provided screws, tightening it just enough to hold it in place. Do not over-tighten. Depending upon the device you are installing, you'll either connect wire to wire or wire to terminal. When connecting wire to wire, start with the neutral wires by twisting them together in a clockwise rotation. You may have many neutral wires in your box. Use the large red wire nut to secure them together tightly. The wires should not pull out of the wire nut when tight. If connecting to a terminal, loosen the white terminal screw, insert the neutral wire or wires into any white terminal slot, and hand tighten the terminal screw until all wires are secured. Next, connect the red load wire to the load wire or load terminal of your device. Then connect hot to hot. Finally, for your Radiant device, connect the green wire to the ground wire in the box. Once everything is connected, gently fold the wires into the electrical box, being careful not to pinch a wire or loosen wire nuts. Use included screws to secure your smart dimmer to the electrical box. For the Adorn dimmer, snap the device securely into the metal frame. Now you're ready to test the smart dimmer. Turn the power back on at the circuit breaker. Press the paddle switch to turn it on and off. Use the dimmer control to adjust the level of your lights. To set up your system, download and launch the Legrand Home Plus Control app from the App Store or from Google Play. Follow the instructions from your app to finish setting up your switch. To attach the Radiant wall plate, align the subplate over the device screws and secure it using the screws provided. Push the screwless plate down until it snaps into place. For an Adorn device, simply push the wall plate firmly onto the metal frame until it snaps into place. Easily turn your new Netatmo device into a 3-way switch by adding a Netatmo wireless switch to your network. To learn more, visit us online.